Hello, Uppy Umbrella. Uppy Umbrella flies up, 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 and away. It's an unusually bright day in Little Land. Unusually bright day means we rarely see sun in rainy season, right? So it's an unusually bright day in Little Land. Uppy Umbrella is floating up, up, up in the air. She is cheerful. Cheerful means happy. She is a cheerful and a very colorful umbrella who doesn't mind even if she is blown upside down. Upside down means ulta. In Hindi we call ulta. Okay, upside down. Uppy Umbrella loves it when it rains. She flies up, up, up and away into the air with all the other umbrella friends, waving at the people underneath. Uppy Umbrella's most important job is to cover people when it rains so that they do not get wet. Do you have an umbrella to take shelter under when it rains? How many umbrellas can you see in this picture? Look, here is one small unhappy umbrella that is stuck under water. Uppy Umbrella calls her uncle to help her take this umbrella out of the water. They tug and they tug and they tug, but the umbrella is stuck and they are unable to take it out from the water. The little umbrella is still unhappy because it cannot go flying up, up, up into the air like all the other umbrellas. Do you know the sound Uppy Umbrella makes in words? She says, umbrella. Uppy Umbrella is a vowel. The Little Land vowels are special because they can make two sounds. The other sound Uppy Umbrella makes is U, which we find useful in words like unicorn and uniform. Oh, look, it's raining. Can you hear the pitter-patter of raindrops? Uppy Umbrella rushes off. Rushes off means runs. Uppy Umbrella rushes off to cover somebody and help them to stay dry. Goodbye, Uppy Umbrella. You have to do a very unusual job to do. Goodbye.